Reading comprehension stands out as one of the toughest nuts to crack. This part of the exam isn't just about reading, it's about diving into paragraphs, articles, passages, and sections, which can feel like a marathon for your brain. But fear not. We're here to be your guide, your ally, and your shortcut to success. This video will transform reading comprehension from a time-consuming hurdle into a breeze. We've crafted this reviewer with one goal in mind, to get you through that exam in one shot. Say goodbye to stress and hello to confidence. Picture this. You crack open your exam booklet, and what do you see? Long passages and hefty paragraphs staring back at you. Don't sweat it. Take a deep breath and stay cool as a cucumber. Panicking won't get you anywhere. Now, here's a golden rule. Read with your eyes, not your mouth. No need for lip syncing or whispering under your breath. Reading with your eyes is like a superpower. It engages your mind and helps you soak up the juicy details faster. Do not read word for word. Instead, focus on gobbling up groups of words or sections at a time. It's like taking big bites of a delicious sandwich. It gets you to the good stuff quicker. And here's another tip. Don't peek at the answers before diving into the questions and the passage. It will only confuse you. Read fast and understand what you're reading to get the main idea of the whole passage. Questions are always related about the main idea. What is the main idea? It is simply the main topic and the center of what is being talked about in the article. Concentrate on the parts of the paragraph where the possible answer can be found. Focus on reading and everything will be taken into your mind like a movie playing inside your head. If you focus, you'll never be disturbed. If you're disturbed by something in the room, you lose an important key to ace this part of the test.